Today we are going to use Sally Hansen nail polish to tell you how it is made and sold to you.
To start, let's consider what's in these nail polishes. The three top ingredients in Sally Hansen nail polishes are ethyl acetate, butyl acetate, and nitrocellulose. Let's see how each of these are made.
First, let's look at ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate is a combination of ethanol and acetic acid. This colorless liquid is commonly used in glue, nail polish, decaf coffee, tea, and even cigarettes.
Ethanol comes from one of the following three materials: starchy crops, sugary crops, and cellulosic plants. From there, the raw materials or the feedstock is milled or crushed and treated with chemicals and enzymes. Then yeast is added and the sugars are made into alcohol. Finally, the alcohol is extracted from the mix by boiling it.
The process of making acetic acid is much simpler. One or more vegetable products in a water solution are exposed to one of many bacteria in an aerobic environment. The bacteria digest the sugars and excrete acetic acid.
Using a complicated scientific method called the Fischer esterification, ethanol and acetic acid are mixed in and converted into ethyl acetate.
However useful ethanol could be, especially since it is found in many everyday substances such as nail polish and even in your car, its production has a disturbing effect on the environment. There are approximately 200 ethanol refineries in the United States today. These refineries are responsible for emitting tons of pollutions, including nitrogen oxide, each year.
Another ingredient in Sally Hansen nail polish is butyl acetate. Butyl acetate is an organic compound which emits a sweet smell of banana and apple. It's commonly used as fruit flavoring in candy, ice cream, and baked goods. Butyl acetate is made by reacting acetate acid with a butyl alcohol.
Butyl acetate is actually used as a substitute for other solvents that were considered hazardous. It is also present in a chemical secreted by animals when they are under attack called pheromones. The third ingredient we will look at today is nitrocellulose. It is a compound created by nitrating cellulose through the exposure of nitric acid. It is also used as a base for film and X-ray films. However, it is replaced by safety film after it has become the cause of numerous fires.
What about manufacturing? The thing is, Sally Hansen is very hush-hush about the way this stuff is made. Where the factories are located are a mystery. What is on these products besides what is on the label is a mystery. And even what type of workers they would hire is a mystery. That brings up the question, why? One thing is for sure, customer service won't tell you.
Sally Hansen nail products can be found in a variety of stores including Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aid. All of these stores can be found in the Dallas area. Nail polish is commonly used at home with young adults.
Now, we don't think that much about our trash. It's more of an out of sight, out of mind sort of thing. However, landfills are no joke. Landfills require a lot of money to operate. In Dallas, there are a lot of landfills.
Nail polish is usually used up and then thrown away. However, the bottle is recyclable. Seeing as how we throw away empty nail polish bottles in the trash, they will end up in our local landfill. The headquarters for Sally Hansen is in New York. The CEO of the company is Michelle Scanawani. Now you know what happens behind the curtains of Sally Hansen.